Miss Alex, and it's the last day of our holiday. It's Saturday. We went to visit, oh God, I can't pronounce it. What's the name of that blooming ruin? Abu Durkheim or something. Abu Durkheim House, I don't know. But we got there and it said closed on Saturday, so that was bad timing, wasn't it? Now we've just come to have a look at the... Is that Spitfire there? I don't know if you can see it all the way out there. Ha! There we go. Oh, and another plane as well. They're all out. Yeah, we've come to visit the chili farm because we've never been. We thought we'd come and have a look, maybe get some chili sauce to take home. Scampi farm.
You want some scampi road?
Yeah. Hi. I've not done any filming today, really. It's home day. We were booked on the 4:30 ferry, but we've decided to come home a little bit earlier, so we're now going on the 3:30 ferry. No particular reason. I mean, the two things we wanted to do were closed, so we thought, oh well, we'll just go home. Arlo's waiting for us at home, so.
And we got perishable goods as well.
Yes, we went to a farm shop and got lots of nice things. I'll show you when I go and get my scampi fries out the boot. Lots of stuff. To a farm shop. Look at the size. That's tomato. Look at that. Some sea salt, garlic. Oh, some oak smoked sun-dried tomatoes, Isle of Wight tomatoes, eggs, a few bits of bobs and veggies, scampi vines. Thank you.
Surprising they're not putting any of the trailers on.
Maybe there's none to go. We're at the bottom.
I know.
We're like a big lorry.
Only a handful of cars. Could fit them all on the bay all day. Going back.
No. Many at all. Right, how do we get home?
Probably turn left.
It says turn left on X.
Yeah.
Oh no, BMW.
Got a bit of a fright.
I'd be scared too. Ah!
Not bad.
I mean, the cyclist is a knobhead on that occasion.
Both getting nasty at each other.
Yeah. They both think each other are knobs.
Yeah.
I managed to get a bit lost. It's not like the island, you can't just keep driving around till you get where you want to go. I was meant to go up Newbury towards the M4, but I missed the junction. So where are we now? Oh my god.
Ringwood.
So a little bit too far over west.
Yeah. Well, not too much west.
We're stuck going that tractor now. We're on the way home. Oh, that motorbike. We're on the way home. You know why? And everyone else looks like they're on the way home from a show. And quite a few persons coming towards us. Typically, I didn't have the camera on. So there you go. We had a P5 come past us. I imagine a lot of the Rovers will all be at the RSR National Rally this weekend. I won't be able to make it for obvious reasons.
No, we wanted to go over.
I thought
Right.
so, but there was no sign, was there? There was no sign.
On approach there was.
Yeah, but normally there's one on the exit and it didn't look very main roady, if that makes sense. It just didn't look right. And plus that father put me off going back round.
Yeah.
They probably did the same to me. Saw no sign and thought, well. So there's just no green sign or anything, is there?
Oh, ambulance and blues. Yeah, this one here.
They're not moving. He's been waiting for us in the window. Meow. That was a long old drive home. Dear me. I'm absolutely knackered now. I'll be very happy not to drive Jessie again for at least another week. Just to give my arms a rest, you know. So I think I'll probably use Peggy for a little bit. Right, let's unpack. Thanks for watching. Bye.